to my channel. Today I am so excited. We are going to be doing the random number challenge, and how I'm going to do this random number challenge is I'm going to take this palette right here and I am going to create an eye look using 5 colors from this palette. So here is my palette, and how I'm going to choose which color I'm going to pick is I have this little number generator from 1 to 40 because there are 40 different shades in this palette. I am not including these 3 shades on the sides here. I'm just including these 8 rows of 5 shades. So starting with this yellow, it's number 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how I'm going to number these. So I'm going to press my little number generator, and it chose for me the number 11. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, there it is. There's number 11. So let's go ahead and count which shade. Now, I am actually going to put these on in the order that I'm picking them. So this is going to make this even more interesting, especially if the very first shade is a shimmer shade. Oh, I'm nervous. So let's try it. Let's try it. So my generator picked 11, so let's count 11 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Of course, it's a shimmer shade. So this shade here is called Back Chat. And by the way, I am using my Be Perfect Carnival palette. We're going to start with a shimmer shade. Yay. I'm so excited. Oh no. This, again, could go wrong real fast. So what I'm just going to do then is take my finger, dip into this pretty blue shade, and I'm just going to dab this on my eyelid, and then we'll kind of go around it or something. I don't know. Okay, I know this looks a little scary, but let's just keep going with it. Our next shade is, okay, my next number is number 4. So number 4, there it is, number 4. So let's see what number 4 is. Oh, in my palette, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is this shade right here, this like brownie shade. Okay, we can work with that. That's fine. It's called Reckless. So let's go ahead. We're going to take that brown, that it's kind of almost like a reddish brown. We're going to put that on the outer corner of our eyelid into where that blue is a little bit. So I'm going to get a little brush here. We're just going to use a little brush for this. So I'm just going to take this shade and go right into the outer corner here. I'm going to blend that in. I'm going to kind of blend it all the way over too. I have seen a couple other YouTubers do this little challenge, and everyone seems to kind of do it differently. I know some of them will get their 5 colors and then kind of put them in some type of order, where I'm just going with whatever color is next. So hopefully it doesn't get me into too much trouble, especially if we have a shade like white or something that's coming next. I don't know. This is getting real interesting. Let's pick our 3rd color. So I'm going to press my little number generator, and it gave me the number 18. 1, 2, 3. Well, this is a row of 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Seriously, it's this like almost, it's like a pinky red color. Oh my gosh. Okay, where are we gonna put that? We're gonna put that as like a transition. So I'm gonna get a little blender brush. We're gonna dip into that. It's called In Lust. We're gonna bring it up above this purple and into like the inner corner. I don't know. We're just putting it on and seeing how it works. We're kind of gonna just blend this all together. It almost reminds me of the makeup I did for when we did, when I went to like an 80s party. If you want to see what that look is, go to my blog, Jamie Beth Beauty Reviews on Facebook, and check that out. But this almost like looks kind of like that eyeshadow look that I did. Okay, so we got that shade on. Let's move to our 4th shade. Please make it be a light shimmer. I don't know. Okay, let's see what number. 31. So 31, is it showing up? There we go. Let's see where 31 falls on here. So we have 8, 16, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. It is this brown shade right here. What am I gonna do with that? Let's just put the brown shade on our lower lash line. Why not? Sure, let's do that. It's okay. Sometimes all you need is eyelashes, mascara, and a little bit of liner, and it looks way better. We'll see if that helps at all. I don't know. Okay, so our fifth and final color, because I really don't think I can put any more crap on my eyes. So fifth and final color is lucky number 19. Let's see what crazy shade lucky number 19 is. All right, here's our palette. 8, 16, 17, 18, 19 is this bright pink shade. So what we're gonna do with that bright pink shade is we're gonna put it on the inner corners. We're just gonna plop that right in that inner corner. That is a perfect spot for this. Okay, and we're gonna take this a little bit on the lower lash line too, to kind of like cover up a little bit of that poopy brown color we put underneath there. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to put some liner on, I'm gonna put some lashes on, and I'm going to put some mascara on, and we are gonna look at this crazy final eye look. I will be right back. Here is the final look. I did put on some lashes, some mascara, some liner. It did help a little bit, not much. This was crazy, but I had so much fun doing it. What I liked about this video is I did the shadows as a number generator, did its magic, and I didn't just like pick 5 colors and then try to put them in some type of order. We went in the order that the numbers actually chose for us. So I thought that was interesting, and it doesn't look too bad. I do again have some major 80s vibes going on right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.